Thank you for giving wonderful opportunity to the explaining of the Shitafal task of the projects. So my name is Bhanut Varun. I am from Guru Nanak Institution. So
So, first of all, we started from the process of implementing the RAG. RAG means the retrieving the argument of generation, pipeline of interacting with the PDF files in using in Java domain. So this pipeline allows to users to extract the meaningful information from the PDF documents, convert that information into embedding and efficient retrieval and generated responsive nature and so on. This type of files will be including in this the particular RAG pipeline. So first of all we can discuss to index main file. So these are the main file of the index to how to the path will be setting the PDF files path will be setting there and OpenAI in the API keys. So using these import files to extracting the user interaction of the RG RAG pipeline. So first of all we can use to list chunks. Chunks is nothing but the piece of the folds of the process file, how to PDF path will be generated, extract the chunks, and also we next file will be generating the embedding for the chunks. So we can using the embedding generator variable to creating the object. So open API key will be added. So list of these double and the embedded generation will be generated to the chunks. And step 3, store the embedding of the vector databases. So we can store the databases. For example, the PDF extracted will be given to the embedded to the backend server, the vector databases. The vector databases client to create the new website, new databases, and they will be retrieving the chunks will be processing will be stored in the backend of the chunk databases. So they will be getting and putting to the servers to handling that particular process. So step 4 will be handle the user's query. For example, in this database, for example, any query will be occurred. So how they are handled to generating the particular query. So they can use to this type of handling user query and also response generating response. So in the end users, their chunks of lots of PDF files will be uploaded in the accepting of natural languages. So they are using to content of generate something response to the particular client or particular website servers. So they are using this particular type of repository response generator. So these separate files will be added to implementing the particular of the our REAG file of pipeline the process. So first of all we can choose to do check to the PDF processing file. So PDF processing file we using this type of import files will be added to PDF boxes, PDF model, PDF documents. These are the import files to add in the other folders. So our folder will be created. Some individual files will be added to import the extensions of files. So first of all we create the class is the PDF processor. So for example our PDF file will be uploaded in the particular folder. So there are the certain rules and regulations so they are implementing. So PDF file will be creating the object. So PDF document this type of object will be loaded to the particular PDF file and also be this type of text scripting. So these are the PDF will be objecting to implementing the particular matter of the content of the PDF. So data intelligence, for example, they are the chunk of files. They are using to retrieve the chunk of files. So checking into the 500 character pieces of the chunk size of the folders in the implementing between the folder documentation. So document will be implemented to the chunk text. For example, for loop to using to how many chunks files will be implemented in the particular length of the folder. So they are using the private static length and so on, and also be query handler. For example, any type of users, end users, they are performing like a queries. Say they are occurring the queries, so how to handle that particular type of query to handling the situation. So they will be using this type of the files will be implementing the particular our RAG timeline code. So this is this public function will be implementing to this type of two variables are the include. So embedding the generator and the vector database client. So generator will be generating the particular type of query. So client will be giving the particular type of decisions, what type of the query will be occurred in the particular backend or the front end of the particular any type of users. So they will be performing this particular function, and this handler query function will be this type of string is the query and it will be top the key how which type of index will be particular occurring in the handler of the queries. So index and particular index and the particular key will be query embedded of the get particular what type of the index will be performing to the occurring the problem. So response generating. For example, our chunks of PDF file will be converted into the raw material or any type of chunks material. So response folder. For example, developer will be developing in a particular PDF. So they are extend to generating the response to the end users. So response will be generating this particular type of files. In this file, they are implementing the import packages like a OpenAI server and completions of completing request. Public class response is the response generator is a file name. So private will be OpenAPI server will be accessing in the particular folder. So this operation service will be included in this particular file, and public string generated response is the functions to generating the query and relevating the chunks. So these two type of variable to contain text will be implemented in the particular query. So these are the complete requests to giving the completion of builders. How much strength, how much size of the chunks will be implementing in the particular folder. So they will be creating and getting and set the particular window size to prompt of the particular boxes. And also this is the implementation of scripting file and vector database. The client how to checking the particular query to database in the backend of the server. So this is about the task one for generating of RAG pipeline. So thank you.